This piece of shoulder is about 1 kilo. I'm going to cut into 3 pieces. Okay. Now the best part is the shoulder, because it's tender, and also you can see this line of a bit fat. You know, it's inside of the limb meat, so it's not very tough. After you roast it, it's still tender and juicy. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. This is about 1/4 of teaspoon Chinese 5 spice. 1/2 teaspoon of the black pepper. 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine. 1 tablespoon of dark color soy sauce. This one I have to explain a bit. This jar, inside of this jar is the preserved tofu. But I'm not going to use the tofu, I'm going to only use the sauce, because the sauce, you can see the red color. They added the Chinese East rice, which is in red color. I will add 1 tablespoon of this into this marinating sauce, which will give you this nice red color for the finishing. You know, the result is very nice. 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, mix them well and marinate for about 3 hours. In the middle of this 3 hours, you turn once, you know. This has been marinated for 3 hours. I'm going to put in oven. See this one, the tray I bought last year, they said this is supposed to roast it faster and circulate, let the hot air circulate better. So I'm going to put it on this roasting tray. The oven has been preheated at 200 degree fan. This is a fan oven. I'm going to put it for 10 minutes. So for the first 10 minutes, it's high temperature, and then I'm going to decrease the temperature. So for the first 10 minutes, so now it's 10 minutes. I will decrease the temperature to 170 degree, the fan oven, 170 degree for another 20 minutes. Actually, today's this pork piece is pretty big, so instead of 20 minutes, I baked at 170 degree oven fan oven at 30 minutes. Now I'm going to take it out and brush a bit honey. I brush this honey on the surface, and then we will put back to the oven for another 10 minutes. For the last 10 minutes, this honey will give the, you know, the glaze, the gloss, and also the flavor. Last 10 minutes at 170 degree. I will let it cool down for 5 minutes before I slice it.